Hey guys, it's your girl Pilar, and I want to open up this video making a serious admission to you. I'm addicted to cashback apps, rebate websites, reward credit cards, and debit cards. Yes, I used to think this was all a scam. I used to look at people thinking, why would you even waste your time getting these measly points or these measly cashback rewards? And now here I am stacking my rewards and getting free flights around the world just using points and cashback money, getting free lodging with Airbnb, free meals at restaurants and shopping sprees. And so this stuff actually works when you put it to work. So today I'm going to share with you my personal review of using the Rakuten rebate site. I'm going to let you know the deal. Is this worth it or is it not? So it's all coming up right now in this video. So first things first, where do you sign up to Rakuten and how much will they give you? That's at least one of the first things that I look at when I'm looking at these rewards programs or rebate sites. Now, Rakuten is currently having a spend 40, get $40 back. So literally you are going to get free $40 by simply spending $40 on the Rakuten rebate website. Now, this is only available with a promo link. I'll post that link down below underneath this video, and it's only available during the holiday season. So this is a once a year promo. Otherwise, if you are signing up outside of the time period, then you generally are going to get anywhere between $20 to $30 when signing up with a promo link. Now, we're living in interesting times, right? So we have high inflation going on, grocery prices are through the roof, and people are really feeling the pinch in their pocket. And that is why a lot of people are gravitating towards these rebate websites and cashback apps. So if you are unfamiliar, Rakuten is formerly known as Ebates. They're a popular rebate website, and they incentivize you to shop at over 3,500 well-known retailers and brands. So you're going to find high-profile names such as Macy's, Nordstrom Rack, Walmart, Nike, Levi's, and Disney, just to name a few. You're going to get cashback rewards simply by doing your regular shopping through Rakuten. So once you're a Rakuten member, you can do your shopping via the phone app, or you can do it right on desktop. All you have to do is find your store on Rakuten. So enter the name of the retailer in that search bar and then review available cashback offers, and then just go ahead and shop as usual. So Rakuten will create a new shopping trip ID to track your order. So after you've made your purchase, Rakuten will reward you with cashback on eligible items within a few hours to a couple of days. So after that has occurred, then you are going to get paid. Now we'll talk about your payment options and how long it will take to get your money, but that is pretty much how simple it is to shop Rakuten and get cashback rewards. So here's another cool feature. You can download the Rakuten Cashback button browser extension. So the browser extension will automatically find you the best deals on cashback offers all over the internet when you activate it. So for example, last year I was shopping for a Ninja blender on Amazon for my mom's birthday, and the Rakuten browser extension alerted me to a better deal on Macy's website after applying a special 12% Black Friday cashback offer. Here's a special tip for you if you're interested in earning more cashback rewards. There is an app that will give you cashback rewards when you buy gift cards. And this particular app does have Macy's gift cards where you can earn cash back on your purchases. Now you can use this in addition to Rakuten to really stack your rewards. Now I'll post a link to that app as well as the review underneath this video, so check that out. Well, what if you don't like to do online shopping and you prefer in-store shopping? Well, you can do that with Rakuten, but you will be limited to the amount of stores that you can do this with, and you're also going to earn a smaller amount of cashback rewards. Now, I personally haven't used this yet for in-store, but you can try it out yourself. All you have to do, open up the Rakuten app, and then you want to go to the in-store tab. It's going to be at the bottom of your screen. Then select the in-store offer you plan to use on your shopping trip. add a credit card number when prompted to do so. So Rakuten in-store cashback supports American Express, Visa, or MasterCard, and then use your linked card to make the in-store purchase. You'll earn cashback rewards that way. Now, there are a couple of other important details. I'm not going to go over that in this video, but I will post a link to that underneath this video in the description. By the way, why would Rakuten even give you money for shopping through their site? Well, Rakuten is one of the largest affiliate sites online. Partnered stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending customers to them, and then Rakuten shares that money with you as cashback rewards. And then from time to time, Rakuten will work out increased cashback offers with those retailers, which they also pass along to you. So ultimately, it's a win-win situation for Rakuten, the retailer, and you as a Rakuten member. So far, I've used Rakuten on a few websites, so for example, Macy's and Nordstrom Rack, and normally when I purchase something on those sites through Rakuten, my cashback rewards will hit my Rakuten account within roughly 24 hours, so that's what you should expect there. The only exception has been when I have purchased on Hotels.com for a hotel stay in the future. That is when Rakuten will wait until you actually stay at that hotel, and then they will still wait like another couple of weeks or so to issue you your cashback rewards. Then it hits your account. Okay. So that has been my experience so far. Now, once you have your money in your account, let's talk about what the minimum cash out threshold is and when to expect your first Rakuten cashback paycheck. So there are 3 ways in which you can receive your Rakuten rewards. The first way is through PayPal. Simply connect your PayPal account to Rakuten, and that's where your cashback rewards will be sent. You can also have a big fat paycheck mailed to you, or if you are an American Express credit card holder, you can enroll in the American Express program that allows you to shop Rakuten to earn membership rewards points on eligible purchases. You'll earn 1% cash back, which is equal to 1 additional point for every $1 spent through Rakuten. The minimum amount you need in your account in order to cash out is $5.01. So if you do meet that threshold, then your cashback payments are sent out every 3 months based on the schedule you see on your screen. So you can't necessarily cash out the minute you see your money in your account. You do have to wait, but there is an exception. There is a way where you can cash out much, much faster. I did it. Let me share with you what that is. The secret to getting paid from Rakuten much faster is to refer other people to the Rakuten rebate site with your unique referral link. Now, you get that once you sign up for Rakuten and you have your own account. Then you will have access to a unique link. You can invite your spouse, invite your cousins, invite your grandparents. And for each person that makes a qualifying purchase within 90 days, you'll earn a referral bonus. And during the holiday season, that referral bonus is as high as $40. It can be as low as $20 for the rest of the year, but right now it's really cool. So for example, if you invite, let's say, your husband and your cousin, those are 2 referrals, you would make an $80 bonus. Now, Rakuten says that they pay out referral income within 60 days of your referral's qualifying purchase. But in my case, my referral made a qualifying purchase on November 18th of 2021. And to my surprise, I received my referral bonus money 6 days later via PayPal on November 24th. So here are my final thoughts on Rakuten. They do have their pros and cons, right? So some of the pros include Rakuten offering a seamless experience to shop your favorite stores, earn cashback rewards. You can also stack it with other rewards apps and credit cards. I do it all the time with Fetch Rewards, with Receipt Hog, and a few other apps. And the savings can really add up if you're an avid shopper. Additionally, Rakuten's sign-up bonus is one of the most generous in the industry, so that is definitely a pro. Now let's talk about the cons. Now, there are really 2 main cons that I can think of here. The first one is that you have to wait to get paid your cashback rewards. Now, for some people, waiting 3 months to get paid is a drawback. And secondly, if you're not careful, you could end up spending a lot more money due to the constant email marketing of daily deals and cashback offers that Rakuten sends you. So for holiday shopping, I love using Rakuten. The rest of the year, I use it because I stack it with my other rewards apps and rebate apps and cards. Now, if you are planning on signing up for Rakuten, remember to get the highest cashback rewards by using the promo link down below in the descriptions of this YouTube video. Guys, do me a quick favor, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos just like this to help you earn more money and make money also with affiliate marketing. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.